Hello guys. So I want to explain how to set up your token pocket wallet for Bitnest Investment. Because I've seen different questions people have been asking how do we do token pocket? I think a lot of people are still new to token pocket wallet. So because I mentioned in my live stream and in my previous video that I'm using token pocket wallet. So people just prefer token pocket wallet and they don't want to use OKX, even though you can use OKX wallet or MetaMask or Trust wallet. Or if you still know that it's token pocket wallet you want to get on Bitness, then come to Play Store or App Store. You search for your token pocket wallet. So just for the sake of this video, I will show you how to token pocket. I just show you how to get started on this token pocket wallet and how to connect it with Bitnest platform, and that's it. So if token pocket wallet is what you are considering to use, then this is how to go about it. It's just like every other web3 wallet, just that this one doesn't have this where you can see multi-chain. How am I supposed to say it? I don't know. I don't know how to start explaining that part. Like unlike OKX wallet where you see BNB, um ETH, Base, everything, all those network at once. But this one, you just have to be connected to the particular one that you need. So meaning that if you need ETH, you switch, you go back to the wallet and create ETH. So that's just the difference from the other Web3 wallets and Trust wallet and all of that. So if you are new to Bitnest, while waiting for this token pocket wallet to get downloaded, if you are new to Bitnest is a smart contract investment platform that has been around since over a year. And personally, I joined since last year, 2025, which is a year ago. So if you are new to Bitnest is where you can invest and make money. It's not free. So there is no point signing up if you are not investing. It is not free. It is not airdrop. It is an investment platform that you have to put in your money, invest, and earn profits. That's how it works. So they are not doing a drop. It's not free. But the good thing about this is that there is no minimum to start and there is no maximum to join with. You can start with any amount you can afford. You start with any amount you can afford, and you get your return back to your connected wallet at the end of the days that you choose. Personally and recommendably, I recommend that you select 28 days. So if you are signing up on Bitness, make sure you are selecting 28 days of investment. So that's it. If you need investment that is every day, AIX wallet is the one you can join. I explained that on my live stream. AIX wallet. And if you need a weekly investment that I recommend, that one is Quantum Wallet. Quantum Wallet pays every six days. For Bitness, just do 28 days. That's how it works. So you see, allow Bitness. I'm sorry, allow to keep again. Okay, I have an account. If you have an account, if you want to import your other Web3 wallet, click on import and add your private key, your face key here. You see import wallet, keep PAL, multi-sig wallet, and all of that. But if you don't want to import wallet, you click on this create wallet, create account. Then you are seeing select a network. So you are seeing Bitcoin, Ethereum. So because Bitness is on BNB, I'll just click on this select. I will select this BNB. So you are saying create a way, synchronize wallet, synchronize other EVM net wallet, code wallet. So I'll just click on create a wallet for free. So here is it. And you have to set a password. Password to activate transaction, to log in and all of that. So I'll just enter password here. I will set a password and that's it. I've created a password here. I'll just click on understood. On the next step, you get your recovery phase. Before that, please read the following. I'll just tick this so that I can generate memory phase. I am deleting this wallet. I'm just using it for the sake of this video. So you can just go ahead. So as you can see, I've completed the creation. It's very simple, but I don't know, some people are still new to Token Pocket and they are looking like we are saying something different. They are all Web3 wallets. You can see. So this one means that you are connected to BSC network. You can see no Ethereum, no Base, nothing. You saw what I chose while setting up the wallet. I just select BNB and that's all. And here I am on the BSC network, and that's it. If you are using this Token Pocket wallet, you don't have any issues with finishing site and all of that. So this is what I use for my Bitnest investment. So to connect to Bitnest platform, copy this BNB address and deposit um BNB BSC network as your gas fee. The address are the same. If you click on receive, the address are the same because both are on BSC network. The USDT and the BNB network are the same. So if you click on receive, I'll just click on maybe later. You see, you copy the address, then deposit BNB on BSC network. At least $1. Just have like $1 there so that you can be using it as your gas fee on Bitness. So this same address that you are when you click on receive is where you are going to send your USDT BEP20. You are using USDT BEP20, and that is why you need BSC as your gas fee. I hope you understand. So just copy the same address, send in your USDT, any amount you want to invest, no minimum. Any amount you can afford to invest is what you should deposit USDT BEP20, and copy the still the address and deposit BSC BNB. It means that BSC on BNB on BSC network. I told you the purpose of this video is to show you how to set up your Token Pocket wallet so that you can use it to invest in business. As you can see, I'm not depositing because I don't have intention to have multiple accounts. I don't have intention to have multiple accounts, so I'm just showing you guys. I'm deleting this wallet ASAP. I didn't even save the face key. So on the discover button here, you can see the discover menu. Paste the Bitness registration link. Check the description box of this video or the pin post in the comment section. Get the link from there, either description box of this video or the pin post in the comment section. Paste it in your discover menu of your Token Pocket wallet, and you can still choose to use OKS or MetaMask, whichever you want. But this is me just introducing you to Token Pocket wallet, and I think I don't have any video on Token Pocket wallet. So this is so if you are, as you can see, because I'm just signing up, you can see connect wallet. I'll click on connect. You are seeing connect wallet at the right side of the page here. Then I'll enter the password I used to register on Token Pocket wallet. It has been connected, as you can see here. You can see. So it means that I've registered automatically like that. No stress. By connecting your wallet, I've registered. For myself, my Token Pocket wallet only has this Bitnest investment. I did not add any assets to it. That's another way to a step ahead, at least security reason and all of that. So I do not have any assets on my Token Pocket apart from connecting to this business. For those that join my live stream, I show this physically. So I show this on live. I showed you guys how to do all of these things on live. But I think some of you will not be able to watch 2 hours video, and that's the essence of this video. So to start investing on this home page, just scroll down a bit. You are seeing Bitness loop. Click on this join now on the Bitness loop. Because I have not deposited any amount to this wallet, you are seeing it's 0 USDT. But if you are already having funds on your wallet, it will show you balance on this place. Then click on this 28 days select 28 days. That's where to earn reasonably. So always select 28 days. Either you are reinvesting or you are just getting started. Select 28 days. Be it reinvestment or just getting started. Select 28 days. Enter the amounts in this amount here. If I click on $100, you can see by the end of the 28 days I will get $124, meaning that 24% profit. $24 profit and the $100 make capital. This total of $120 will be returned back to my connected role automatically. I am not coming here to come and click on withdraw or anything. At the end of that 28 days, the moment you click on this circulation, you click on circulation after you enter the amount and select 28 days, you start seeing the countdown immediately, from the seconds to the minute, everything, to hours to days. You start seeing the countdown. So at the end of that countdown, once the countdown gets to zero, you get your capital and your profits automatically back to your wallet. You are not coming here to come and click on withdraw. There is no withdrawal button. It is automatic. This is a smart contract investment, and they are verified by SETIC. You can confirm that from their page. They have their legal verification here on the platform. They are verified by SETIC. So meaning that if you decide to invest $1,000 here, you are getting $240 profit at the end of the 28 days. So both the $1,000 and the $240 profit will be returned back to your connected wallet automatically. So you can take your profits, reinvest capital, or you do compound interest. That's left to you. Is that you do compound, you come back to reinvest after 28 days, or you take your profits, reinvest your capital, or you do compound interest by reinvesting both capital and profits. Whichever way you choose to do it is left to you. So basically, this is how to get started on business. Very simple, very straightforward. The moment you enter your pass your the amount here, you are seeing how much you earn. You are seeing this $10,000, the person will get $2,400 in profit if you invest $10,000. $100,000, you are getting $24,000 in profit. Good. And let me shock you, this has been around for over a year. Personally, I've joined this since a year ago. So if you want to get started, check the registration link in the description box of this video. And disclaimer, please, this is not a financial advice. This is me showing you what is working for me and what I'm doing and sharing it to my community. I am not a financial advisor. I am just giving opportunity, showing you how to make money. So take responsibility for your financial investment. That's on you. That's your responsibility, not on me. So that's it. So this is basically how to get started on business. And once you invest, you start seeing the countdown, and after the countdown, the capital and the profits return back to your wallet at the end of the 28 days. As simple as that. Nothing more, nothing less. So you can get started now. Check the registration link in the description box of this video or the pin post in the comment section. Also join my Telegram community. Check the link in the description box of this video as well. See you guys on the next one. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to this channel. Like and share this video for more potential people to see opportunities in hidden opportunities in business. All right, guys. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.